What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how you can zoom in when you're taking a picture on your iPhone. Okay, first we're going to head on over to our camera app. Mine is right here, but if you can't find it, just swipe down from the middle of your screen like so and type in camera. Okay, as you see the app appears right here, click on that and your camera is going to open up. Okay, so let's just take a quick look at what we have on the screen. Right here, as you can see, it says 1x, that's the standard. And right next to it, it's 0.5. It's gonna let you zoom out. So, for example, right now we are in 1x. If I click on this 0.5, as you see, it zooms out. So you get a lot more of the area. Now, if you want to manually control this, you can also pinch with both fingers on the screen and zoom out, expand them outwards like so. I'm gonna click like this and then just zoom out, just expand it. And you can repeat that process again like so. And as you can see right here, it says 2.2. And I can keep increasing that until we get to the max, which is 5. Okay, and we can also zoom out. You just pinch again, and now you're gonna do it the opposite way. You're gonna pinch in, pinch your fingers together like so. And as you can see right here, it's now in 0.5. Now again, you can just click right here on the number 1 for an easy switch. 0.5, 0.1. Okay, and just to I'll also use other options like selecting brightness. If you click once on your screen like so, as you see the little sun appears there, you can do this. Scroll down, just press and hold. As you can see, it's getting darker. And also we can do it upwards, so we can make it brighter. So these are interesting settings we can fool around with, so you can take a better picture. Now this is for photo. We can also go to video right here. And it's going to be the same thing. Okay, just pinch and expand outwards with both fingers. Although you notice right here that it only goes to 3x, not to 5x like on the picture. I'm gonna zoom out. You know, instead of zooming by pinching, I can just click right here where it says 0.5 and we zoom out. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe so I can continue to give you guys more helpful tips. Cheers.